Health benefits of meditation. Create balance in your life. For more details, visit us at mansisurvivalaidfoundation.com. Meditation is generally considered a path to increasing self-awareness and awareness of one's surroundings. Meditation is a spiritual path to becoming more aware of oneself. It allows you to hear your inner voices and cultivate love for oneself and one's surroundings. It also gives you physical and mental strength that enables you to live a long and healthy life. The main health benefits of meditation involve physical well-being, mental well-being, and spiritual well-being. 11 health benefits of meditation are: practicing meditation on a regular basis helps relieve stress and anxiety. A study published in the journal JAMA Psychiatry suggests that people struggling with anxiety could be helped either by a daily pill, which could come with side effects, or a daily practice of mindful meditation. As per a review of treatments given to more than 3,500 adults, it was observed that mindful meditation improved symptoms associated with depression. Meditation helps you to understand your thought process and enables you to recognize thoughts that can be harmful and self-defeating. It also helps you cultivate skills that empower you with a problem-solving attitude in life. As per a study, it was observed that people who regularly practice meditation perform better on visual tasks and have a greater attention span compared to those who do not meditate at all. Meditation, in addition to improving normal age-related memory loss, can also partially improve memory in patients with dementia. Meditation enables us to develop positive feelings toward ourselves and others, which also helps you reduce stress. According to a study, people who practiced mindful meditation on a regular basis stayed asleep longer and had fewer issues related to insomnia. As per lifestyle medical expert Jane Amin, meditation shifts your focus to something quiet and calm, reducing inflammation and pain. As per a new study, the meditation technique stimulates genes that produce an enzyme called telomerase, which is linked with decreased blood pressure and mortality. Meditation helps in developing mental awareness to manage triggers for unwanted impulses, which can help beat addiction. Mansi Healthy Living, creating awareness for healthy living. Please like, share and subscribe to get notifications of our new videos. For awareness purposes only. Thank you for watching. Keep watching our healthy living videos on our channel, Mansi Healthy Living. Watch our latest video. Click here to subscribe. For more reading, visit us at mansisurvivalaidfoundation.com.